Therefore. Therefore.
For that reason.
We were unable to get funding and therefore had to abandon the project.
Over. Over.
Over. Over.
Above or higher than something.
The sign over the door said exit. A flock of geese flew over the trees. She held the umbrella over both of us.
Across from one side of something to the other, especially by going up and then down.
She jumped over the gate. The road goes over the mountains. She is always chatting with her neighbor over the garden fence.
Everywhere in a particular place.
Soon the news was all over town.
During a particular period of time.
I was in Seattle over the summer. We discussed the matter over lunch. It's fascinating to watch how a baby changes and develops over time.
On the other side of.
There's a pub over the road we could go to. The story continues over the page. The station is over the bridge.
In this or that place.
Put your bags down over there.
From one side or place to another.
She leaned over and kissed me. Why don't you come over for dinner on Thursday? I've got a friend over from Canada this week.
Finished.
I'll be glad when the competition is over. I used to have a thriving business and a happy marriage, but that's all over now.
Religion. Religion.
Religion. Religion.
Religion, religious.
The belief in a god or gods, or a particular system of belief in a god or gods.
The Christian or Muslim or Buddhist religion. Rebuild. Rebuild. Builder, building, build, rebuild. Rebuilt, rebuilt.
To build something again that has been damaged or destroyed.
The cathedral was completely rebuilt in 1425 after it had been destroyed by fire. Climate. Climate.
The weather conditions that an area usually has.
A hot or dry or cold or wet climate. The Mediterranean climate is good for growing citrus fruits and grapes. Recycled. Recycled. Recycling, recycle, recycled.
Recycled paper, glass, plastic, etc. has been used before and put through a process so that it can be used again.
Recycled paper or plastic. Grow. Grow. Growth, grow, growing. Grew, grown.
To increase.
The number of people living alone grows each year.
If your hair or nails grow, or if you grow them, they get longer.
Are you growing a beard?
scientific, scientific,
scientific, scientific,
science, scientist, scientific, scientifically.
Relating to science, or using the organized methods of science.
A scientific discovery or experiment or theory. Scientific evidence or research. The project has attracted considerable criticism from the scientific community. Self-service, self-service, servant, service, serve, self-service.
A self-service restaurant or shop is one in which you serve yourself and are not served by the people who work there.
It was a cheap, self-service restaurant.
Wardrobe, wardrobe,
Wardrobe, wardrobe.
A large cupboard for keeping clothes in.
She was showing me her new built-in or fitted wardrobes.
Sense, sense,
Sense, sense. Nonsense, sense, sensibility, sense, sensible, senseless, sensibly.
A feeling or understanding about yourself or about a situation.
Did you get any sense of what they might do? Living out in the country gave us a great sense of freedom.
The ability to understand funny things and to be funny yourself.
Carol has a wicked sense of humor. Old-fashioned, old-fashioned,
Not modern.
old-fashioned clothes or ideas or furniture. She's a bit old-fashioned in her outlook.
Stripe, stripe,
stripe, stripe,
A long, straight area of color.
The zebra is a wild African horse with black and white stripes.
sensible, sensible,
Nonsense, sense, sensibility, sense, sensible, senseless, sensibly.
Showing good judgment.
A sensible answer or approach or choice or option. A sensible person. I think the sensible thing to do is phone before you go and ask for directions.
Update, update,
Update, update.
To add new information.
The website has just been updated. We'll update you on this news story throughout the day.